Can you see the blackberry in here?
It's brown. Well, the blackberry's not.
You're still going to want to watch this to see how we make this drink.
See how Diablo. So you want to make drinks like this at home? Of course you do. So pick up the whole bartender starter kit at shop.awesomedrinks.com. Comes with everything you need, including free shipping. Welcome to Combat Cocktails, Danny and Derek. We're going to show you how to make El Diablo. I don't want to say the El Diablo.
Because L means the.
You got it. Spaniard over here.
Boom.
That's right. This drink is going to be simple. It's an ounce and a half.
Spicy.
No. Ounce and a half of reposado tequila.
No.
Half ounce of crème cassis.
I just got shut down. No.
Half ounce of fresh lime juice and 3 to 4 ounces of ginger beer.
You like it spicy?
I guess that this is.
We teach you some spice.
You think ginger beer is spicy? Like, is that the type of spice you're like thinking about? Like spicy? Or you want to put some like fucking.
No, like Diablo, you think it's like spicy. He's got it over here.
El Diablo is like, it's like he's going to hurt your butthole.
Yeah. Right?
No. I don't know. Yeah, there must be. See if I can.
Yeah, we'll see what the original tastes like. Where does the El Diablo come from?
It comes from, I don't know. I don't want to destroy Ian's measures.
He's a baby. Just
he's like, I can't memorize.
You got 3 to 4 ounces of ginger beer left. Go for it.
I play golf on Tuesdays. I hit my ball and immediately forget where it went when I start walking. I can remember where everybody else's ball goes. I'm like, did it go to the left, to the right, or straight?
Just get a yellow
How far it got?
Get a purple one.
Doesn't matter. It's in the grass anyway. Can't see it unless I'm right on top of it.
Yeah, put a GPS
so you don't know where you hit it.
I'm the worst golfer in the world. I hit it and I immediately get pissed off and forget about it.
You're like, fuck this game. Give me -4.
This game's retarded.
-4. I wish.
Oh wait, no, -4. You want to go +4. The El Diablo first appears on Trader Vic's. Actually, in a book of food and drink, published 1946.
Old.
It's an old recipe. This follows the recipe to like what it's supposed to be because it's fucking written in the book. Says it's what is it? Yeah, less famous than a margarita or Paloma, definitely. I've never been sitting around and be like, you know what I want? An El Diablo. Like everybody I know.
I've never heard a drink named El Diablo that wasn't like.
It's because it's from a Tiki guy.
True.
Right? Like, so you're going to go to the store. You're probably going to get this in a Tiki mug, and you're like, "Ooh, the El Diablo," and it's like it's a fancy margarita.
Maybe because it's brown.
That cassis is not brand new.
Yeah, cassis doesn't. It doesn't keep its color very long.
Yeah, it's kind of like the Chambord.
Yeah, they turn like a rust color.
Isn't that tasty?
Yeah, but
it's also known as the sewer pipe.
Yeah, no, but
let's put a blackberry on it to make it more appetizing.
Let's be honest though, crème de cassis is never a good color when it's just by itself.
But it tastes delicious.
Oh shit! Go on. It went down the pipe.
Another one down the pipe.
It looks like a soda. Looks like Coke.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah.
Let's do shots of this.
Yeah.
Like that.
No, don't put it in yet. We gotta have we gotta taste the original.
We're supposed to say nothing because his back was 2.
Oh, God damn.
My back was to it as I was coming over to zoom in on the shot, though.
Yeah, but I was gonna put it on as a floater, and then you'd put it in your face and burn it off. And
damn it!
Oh, El Diablo, El Spicy.
And that's how it went in Ian's head.
Yes. Wow.
It was a great little short.
You got a nice story going on. I wish we would have had that play out. Although I did turn again, so maybe I did.
No, but I had somebody.
You wouldn't have saw. He was pretty quick.
It was.
You like I stopped that shit from happening. Oh, I found the blackberry.
I sucked it out.
Wait, it's still it's still in there.
I was like,
you know when you like grab a drink and you're like, do I want to taste it?
That's why you put it in a tea mug.
I've never seen a drink that's more brown. Right? I mean, that's like
it's fucking brown.
Yeah,
that's like watered down coffee.
This is really jet black, and you just
like you don't know what you're in store for.
Look, it even coats the whole glass.
It does. Is that cassis good still, or is it not?
It's not the cassis.
It tastes like a sewer pipe. That's crazy. It's earthy.
What are you talking about? It tastes like cassis.
Hold on.
I don't trust this stuff, so I'm gonna put it in my face.
It's cassis. It's gonna have like a wine flavor to it.
That's not sweet enough, though. I feel like it's tart. It's bitter.
It's cassis.
I feel it shouldn't taste like that.
It just makes me frown.
Does the brown get you down?
Like, oh, I don't know. It's like it's tart too. The ginger beer definitely does not overpower the cassis.
Well, maybe there's not enough in there.
It's dry. Is there sugar here? Just the ginger beer?
Yeah, there's no sugar.
Well, cassis is supposed to be a little bit sweet because it's only like 19%. Yeah.
It is. It is dry though. Yeah, that's true. Cassis is just like the cassis is just giving you like it tastes like a red wine flavor.
Yeah,
but no, without the alcohol.
You know when you see like the washer or the dishwasher commercials and they have like the clear looking dishwasher
fine,
so you can see everything going on as the toilet plunger commercials where it's a half toilet and you can see that.
Oh, that's better.
Okay.
Oh, you're really not. You're going somewhere that it's not making anyone want to drink.
That's better.
That is better.
Yeah, I stirred it. Weird.
I love it.
It's better with it's better with a little bit more ginger beer.
Yeah, that's better.
You probably should have just put the Serrano's in there.
Not too late.
Did you? Yeah. I mean, I don't think it's that bad.
It's better now.
It's better now.
It's got a lot of ginger beer to it, like a spicy.
Yeah, that's the problem. Kind of like ginger beer
ginger
drinks
beer.
that turns into a ginger.
It's a
beer.
mule. This is a fucking mule.
Yeah.
It's a mule with like a red wine flavor, no
new-
tequila.
Like you don't get any tequila at all. Like I don't know why you even use reposado. Like
I was questioning that myself. Like as I'm looking at it, going, Trader Vic's makes some okay drinks, and then he makes some really good bombs, like a Mai Tai, right? Like to have invented the Mai Tai and then to put this in your catalog just feels weird. Like it seems off. Like the cassis, whatever. Cassis is a give or take. You either like the flavor of cassis or you don't. Like there's not that many drinks that call for cassis. I don't understand the need for like the bold, like aged flavor of a reposado because
I mean,
a Blanco.
what's the other cassis drink that you know? The Key Royale, right? That's the other main thing that you.
No, I wouldn't even come. I mean, that yes, but I wouldn't have. That wouldn't. You have memories that do things that fucking recall stuff.
Well, that's
I wouldn't come up with anything.
Champagne and cassis, right?
Yeah,
it's like a.
But
the fuzz. What's the orange one or the pineapple one? Whatever you put with champagne, it's a different drink.
Oh,
like mimosa.
Fresh 75. Yeah, but
the fuzzy thing.
The fuzzy thing.
Fuzzy thing.
The fuzzy thing. Put it with champagne.
Fuzzy navel.
That's what I was like. I'm like fuzzy needle screwdriver. What?
So there's two things. I don't care for the color, but if you put it in a big tiki glass,
you're not gonna see it.
It's gonna be just like every other tiki drink. I don't really understand the raspberry because
because it's like
blackberry.
It's like a blackberry.
Yeah,
because it gets lost, like visually lost.
Yeah, it's the same color as the drink. So
well, maybe that's why you have to stab it to a lime pinwheel.
You put it in there, though. That's on you.
Well, we had it, so I'm fucking dropping it in.
Boom.
Yeah.
Done. Hey, it worked for that other one. It was sitting there. I don't know.
A pipe needed to poop in it.
It's an ugly looking drink with an okay ginger beer mule like flavor to it. I would use Blanco because it's going to cut through a little bit better. You might taste tequila. I don't taste any tequila.
I don't taste any tequila. You taste ginger beer.
Yeah.
If you don't own cassis, then you
just make a mule.
Yeah, just
or a Mayan mule, which is
just
this without that.
Yeah.
Lime. Yeah, I would like lime in here. It has got a bitterness, but it's just from that.
There is lime in there.
Is there?
Yeah.
It's still, you're right. It is still kind of like flat though too.
Yeah.
So like I'm surprised for like a tiki drink. Like usually tikis are
more complex.
Yeah.
More complex.
Flavors are usually more layered.
Yeah.
Well, there you go.
First disappointment of the night. That's all right, Derek.
It's the El Diablo.
It's not your fault. You didn't make it.
I blame you. That's it.
I mean, you didn't invent the drink. I didn't mean make it. You can blame me on
that. I gotta blame somebody, and you're alive.
You're gonna feel bad when I'm not now, aren't you?
No, you won't.
In a couple decades, however long it takes.
However long it takes.
You'll remember this.
Yep. I'll keep this one. I'll bookmark it. All right, that's it. We're teaching that, Drake.